Here we go. All right, y'all. Gonna do a little something for y'all. When you hear me coming up, you better get out the way, 'cause I'm gonna run right over in my big old truck. When I'm slipping and I'm dipping in my four-wheel drive, you can't tell me nothing, man. I'm feeling so alive. I'm feeling alive, y'all. Yes. Know I like big things about all of my life. I like them big toys, you know, me and the boys. I like the climbing up, stepping down in my big truck. You better get out the way when you hear me coming up. When you hear me coming up, you better get out the way.